What's up, guys? Welcome to the video. Today we're going to be taking a dive into Raiz Invest. We're going to be looking at what it is, how it works, and we're also going to be looking at some pros and cons. Now, if you guys want to stick around for the rest of the video, I'm going to be sharing you guys a lot of information about Raiz Invest to hopefully give you guys all the information you need to make an educated decision on if you want to use it. Now, what is Raiz Invest? Now, Raiz allows people to invest small amounts in the stock market using their smartphone. Now, they have a smartphone app and it is only available for Australian users. It used to be called Acorns, and Acorns is its sister company over in the United States, and it works very similar to Acorns. And the way it works is there's three different ways you can get money into your Raiz account. You can use roundups. Now, this method is the one that has attracted the most attention, and it's possible to have Raiz roundup transactions from your bank and invest the spare change. Now, for example, if you buy a coffee for $2.80, Raiz rounds the transaction up to $4 and puts the extra 20 cents into the Raiz investment account. Now, you can also invest using lump sums, so if you've got spare money available to you, you can deposit that in your Raiz account. And you can also set up recurring deposits. Now, you can arrange for these to be like a set amount to be deposited into your Raiz account on a daily, weekly, or monthly basis. And there's also a fourth way, which is a little bit of a gimmick, but it also is a really good way to put some extra money in your Raiz account. It's called Raiz Rewards. And now what Raiz Rewards is it offers a way for you to make money from purchases that you would have made anyway, or even influence the way you make purchases. So Raiz has partnered with over 100 retailers to operate a rewards program called Raiz Rewards. Now, these retailers deposit either a percentage of the purchase or a fixed sum into the relevant Raiz account. So, for example, if you go shop at Bonds, they might give you a percentage of your purchase back into your Raiz account. Now, this is a really good way to, as I said, put money into your account for purchases that you would have made anyway. Now, the way Raiz works is you pick a portfolio, and there's 5 different types of portfolios in terms of risk tolerance, and then there's a sixth, which is the socially responsible tab. Now, Raiz allows customers to choose where they want to sit on the risk and return spectrum. They can go put their money into conservative, moderately conservative, moderately aggressive, or aggressive. And there's also that emerald portfolio that invests in socially responsible investments. Now, these portfolios consist of a mix of ETF quoted on the Australian Stock Exchange and are constructed to reach targets that speak to different financial goals. So they might be the conservative, as we were talking about, or the ultra aggressive, and that'll be in lots of businesses rather than in lots of bonds. Now, the pros and cons of Raiz. Now, the security. Raiz stores all of the information in a remote server with bank-level security and data encryption. For your information, you won't be stored on your device, and your funds are insured against fraudulent and criminal activity, including cybercrimes. The flat fee structure. For accounts under $5,000, there is no account fee, only a maintenance fee of $1.25 Australian dollars per month. So if you've got an account under $5,000, the account fee is $1.25 per month. If your balance is equal to or exceeds $5,000, you only pay $0.275 per annum for that month. Fractional investing. Now, one of the most powerful benefits of Acorns and Raiz in general is that you can allocate fractional investments in ETF funds. So you don't have to buy a full ETF, which can cost sometimes upwards of thousands of dollars to buy that ETF contract. You can buy fractions of them, and that's the best thing about Raiz, is that you can start with as little as $5. Raiz also offers Raiz Kids. Now, you can use the Raiz Kids feature within the app to allocate money towards the investment accounts of your kids who are under 18. Now, Raiz Kids isn't an entirely separate account. It sits within your own Raiz account, but you can select what percentage of your top-ups that you'd like to go into the allocated account, or you can split the contributions evenly between several kids that you may have accounts for. And also, another big positive is ETFs. Now, you invest in ETFs which provide instant diversification. So rather than just buying certain stocks or the company picking stocks for you, you invest in the ETFs which track the market way better. and eliminate some of that firm-specific risks which are associated with individual stocks. Now the cons, if you're investing large amounts, the fees may be a little bit higher than if you were to invest in the ETFs directly, as the added convenience of Raiz is obviously at a little bit of a premium, but obviously for small accounts, the way to go would be a small fractional investing platform like Raiz. How do I get started? Now, I just made a video on how to sign up for Raiz. I'm going to drop that link in the description and the top right of the screen. Check it out. I'm also going to leave a sign up link and a bonus code for Raiz app. So this will give me and you some bonus money in our Raiz accounts. It's totally free, so why not help us both out? Thanks for watching the video, guys. Hope you enjoyed. If it did, be sure to subscribe, as I make financial videos on the Australian finance markets and stuff like that all the time. So drop a subscribe and don't forget to use that code, as it helps us both out. Cheers. See ya in the next one.